See something satisfying? Check this out. I took all my keys off my keyboard. Look how dirty that is. Oh man. I'm gonna wash all of these in this. This is gonna be fun. Got these little ones. All right. Very nice. Clean it with this because it has something called sodium lauryl sulfate, which will put lots and lots of cankers in your mouth. So this is all it's really good for. Smells nice and minty. Here comes the best part. Next, we're going to use one of these microfiber rags and 91% isopropyl alcohol. And the reason we use this is because it evaporates very quickly, meaning that it will not cause any kind of shortage or anything like that as long as you wait, for a few minutes just for it to dry. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so you can try your best with just kind of gently pulling this across the keyboard, but this is the best way to do it. This is my old toothbrush, and not anymore though. So then you just kind of get in there and just brush it like it's your teeth, and brush it along the oblique lines like that. And if you don't have the spray, it's fine. You can just kind of pour the ethanol or the isopropyl, any kind of alcohol that is more than, say, 70% or so should be okay. I would recommend the purer the better. Okay, there we go. Look at this part. This keyboard was never cleaned since I bought it from eBay a few years ago, and it was used and dirty even back then. So this keyboard needed it for sure. We're gonna get inside over here, really clean that out, and that is actually really quick. Let's see, just a little bit more over there. Get all the hair out as much as possible. Check that out. Completely clean. Basically sterilized. Boy, it smells like a hospital in here. Oh, I missed a spot. Also, it turns out your phone is a pretty good way of checking for anything that you missed. It's kind of like a magnifier, isn't it? Yeah. Check it out. That's a hair right there. If you can't remove it, you just got to kind of catch it with the brush and pull it out eventually if it's long enough. If not much you can do about it. I mean, you could pull the whole thing apart and try to take it out, but I ain't doing all of that. I think it needs another round. Kind of like brushing your teeth. All right, this is after round 2. Now we're really getting shiny. Wow, this thing really came to life. Look how much cleaner that is. Oh my God. Add some hot water to our tea soup. It's simmering nicely. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can do this with every mechanical keyboard, because this one is waterproof and there's no printing on it. This is actually a transparent material, I guess. So with the super hot water, I'll go ahead and give it another nice little simmer. Feel and see how they look. Okay. And let them simmer in there for a little longer in this super hot water. Alright, time to rinse it again. It's super hot water. Water is so hot I can't put my hand in it. Boy. Can't leave them in there. Look at that. I've rinsed them a few times. Woo. Let it simmer some more. Alright, here comes the final part. Just wash it real good. This time, gonna put them back and wait for them to dry. The process, you can just put them on the clean side of your towel. I mean, it's sort of clean. There we go. That should do it. All right. Oh boy, oops. And now here comes the best part, which is to try to find exactly where each one of these is. So I'm gonna put this on a time lapse. Oh man, or maybe not. Let's see. Let's go up here. Let's see how well do I know these buttons over here. Yeah, I should go like that. Is it dry? It's dry enough. Okay. FG. I don't know what that is. That one I don't know. Oh boy, this is gonna take a while.